Today we're breaking down the best TD Bank mortgage rates available now and what they mean for buyers and refinancers. TD Bank offers competitive options for fixed and variable rate mortgages, tailored to fit different financial goals including home purchases, refinancing, or even construction loans. You can use TD Home Loan Match to get personalized rate quotes and compare your options before applying. For many homebuyers, 30-year fixed-rate mortgages remain the most common choice. On average, rates for a 30-year fixed mortgage at TD Bank are in the mid-6% range, depending on your credit score, loan size, and market conditions. Typical examples show a 30-year fixed rate around 6.00% to 6.28% APR for purchase loans, with monthly payments calculated accordingly for a standard $200,000 loan. If you're focused on paying less interest over the life of the loan and can manage higher monthly payments, 15-year fixed mortgages usually come with lower interest rates. Recent data shows these near the low to mid 5% range on comparable loan amounts. TD Bank also offers variable and adjustable rate mortgage options, which may start with lower initial rates tied to the bank's prime rate. This can be advantageous if interest rates fall or you plan to refinance later. However, these rates can fluctuate over time. Rates change frequently based on broader market trends, including national mortgage rate movements which have recently hovered above 6% for 30-year terms. To secure the best rate with TD Bank, prepare strong documentation, maintain a high credit score, and consider locking in your rate once approved. Talking with a TD mortgage specialist can help you pin down the exact rate you qualify for before making any decisions.